Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today the topic of my video is how to write electronic configuration of elements. This is the sequence of subshell according to which electrons are filled in an atom. The hardest thing to do to write an electronic configuration is to remember this sequence. If you manage to memorize this sequence, you can easily write electronic configuration of any atom or element. In this video, you will find an easy way to remember this sequence. First, write the name of subshells S, P, D and F. Some people don't fight. This sentence may help you to remember the name of these subshells. S for sum, P for pupil, D for don't and F for fight. Now write the numbers 1 to 4 below each subshell. Number 1 below subshell S indicates that presence of subshell S begins with shell number 1. Number 2 below subshell P indicates that presence of subshell P begins with shell number 2. Presence of subshell D and F begins with shell number 3 and 4 respectively. Now I will write the sequence that I have shown you in the previous slide. Let us start with subshell F. First write F 2 times in a single column. Now we will create the columns for subshell D, P and S separately in such a way that each column is 2 lines higher than the previous column. Now we will number each subshell. 4 is written below F. So for column of F, start numbering it from 4. 3 is written below subshell D. So for column of D subshell, start numbering it from 3. Same goes for subshell P and subshell S. Now this is the same sequence that I have shown you in the previous slide. You will fill the electrons in horizontal lines and keep filling electrons until the number of electrons are equal to the atomic number of the given atom or element. I will write here electronic configuration of potassium for you as an example. Before start writing electronic configuration, you must know the maximum number of electrons that a subshell can hold. S can hold maximum 2 electrons, P can hold 6 electrons, D 10 and F can accommodate maximum 14 electrons. For ease, we will write these numbers above the corresponding column. Now I will start writing the electronic configuration of potassium. Atomic number of potassium is 19. It means that we have to fill 19 electrons in this subshell. At first, electron will go in 1s. S subshell can hold 2 electrons. So we'll write 2 as a superscript with S. This number shows the number of electrons in the subshell and this number shows that subshell S belongs to the shell number 1. After 1s, electron will go in 2s. Again 2 electrons. After 2s, we will add electron in 2p subshell. P subshell can hold maximum 6 electrons. So with P, we will write 6 as a superscript. After 2p, electron will go in 3s, then 3p's and then 4s. We will pause here and we will count the number of electron. In order to count the number of electron, we will add the superscripts. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 6, 18 and 18 plus 2, 20. This means we have filled 20 electrons. But the atomic number of potassium is 19. This means we have filled one excess electron and we have to remove it. We will remove the electron from the last subshell, which is 4s in this case. Here we will erase 2 and will write 1 instead. Now there are 19 electrons in the subshell, which is equal to the atomic number of potassium. So here The electronic configuration of potassium is complete. We will copy this configuration in the box. First we will write 1s2, then 2s2, then 2p6 and 3s2, 3p6 and 4s1. This is the electronic configuration for potassium. You can write the electronic configuration of any atom or element in this way, except the exceptional cases. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.